Nam de lang bo.
To nasidak pinilitum jasemet ASDC a party lapen Aphlc a party nilitum na hinia party central committee atum kedam tang July cheplu tarik ko ra trop di phulang Kachingvai atengsi Aphuthk karbiang long karbiak he atum kisung ke boy Aphuthk kachi song pon rap pe jipu Kachingvai pon bom angbong pen isi kasi kroyang tek na hiklang bangkela puhenlo jenon ke rangi agosto cheklo tarik sirker bangela ke ditum batuda chini la ke International Day of the World Indigenous People pusipula la ke UN pe namasi pirthelong ke du keisu la pen ke bari madum han ke hok pipon kapanong pipon Arni si UN pe namasi pulo je keisu tum ajutang jubat alam aki apinding sumpot along lake helang la pengkela tuma kachari aja kong katum kang thiulim kachari aja kong aron ajutang ke rai kong nanji la pengke pangchu ni penasi ke bari tu paring lorni la bangso Kachingvai pon kachi paraya ting si UN pe namasi agos tarik sirke ko bangke ke isu tumhan ani kan bang lai si panon pipon sinon ke bangji tarik sirke Arni le thositami nili tumophan ASDC la pen Aphlc Central Committee atum Kachingvai Kachikroy pe nagapin khatpon atengsi ini dumdang Western Bianglong District Hinia Party jasemet ASDC la pen Aphlc ni dum chetong lo asnon ke bangi tarik sir ke ba bangke aswa International Day of the World Indigenous People ni dum la hinia song chelang pet pensi ni dum palong pon po pini chekroy pensi pini ni dum panda pon lo la solo kot koi son ni dum la hinia song dum Kachingvai pen Kachikroy pon la pujen lo je non malam de semet karbiang long pen Meghaloi la bangsu along ri ahoy Aphuthk Assam government pen apong lo kabori bangsu karbiang long li Meghaloi sarkar phan ki PG po Aphuthk la tum ajir ding plui pen isar kabori tu pen penable thota tarik tro agosto chikul la tum Guwahati lo Kachingvai ji semet give and take po policy sini tum comment tuneta la ke karbiang long li Meghaloi sarkar phan ba Meghaloi state phan ki pithu pu bani tum chekroy dunde athi 1951 and income 24 November Arni nili tum Metha district Chelong lo la pen kala so district ka Chelong alukot India constitution lo masidami tum special political opposition 6 schedule pu aron teng pen tum Chelong dun tanglo apotsi la so 6 schedule aron ateng pen kerai thi ni tum along ri long pa la pen kashari aja kong to amta ni tum kapang boji pulong ke la ke joka sarkar la pen tani tum chedon dunde la pen karbiang long ri atuya hoy kachirai thi alukot hemprek ke long nanji la pen ke sik shidul aja kong la amso se kapang tang konji fansi ni tum kachi song konji fan ni tum la hinia song ta si Kachingvai pon patu la pen non border visit pusita ni tum prapjin pen damsi Asukar yang nolong le konan nama Meghaloi sarkar ki PG podim an samilitum visit damji hata arab militum sinti Kachingvai si kar yang le kerai kom PG panitum isi kache song deng sabe deng konji pusi pinitum Kachingvai pon damji.
Very good morning to you all, or good afternoon to you all. Today we are here in Dongkamukam to bring together both the party, that is ASDC and Aphlc, and we have made some resolution that on the 9th of August we are going to celebrate and observe together International Day of World Indigenous Peoples, that is on 9th of August, and it will be held at Hiruni, West Karbi Anglong. So that was the first point. And secondly, both the party here in West Karbi Anglong resolved to work together regarding the border issue, and sooner or later we are going to visit the spot where the dispute between the Assam and the Meghalaya side, that is Block 1 and Block 2. So that was a resolution we have today. And then these are specifically 2 points that we chop up today in the border party. So and we would like to send a message from today's discussion that both the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya are going to sit for the second time to discuss about the border dispute. The first discussion was said that it will be a give and take policy for the state of Assam and Meghalaya. So it is completely, totally, we are disagreed to that note, because the land which we had in 1951 should be properly demarcated as per 6th schedule. And then the other part of the border, which is the Khasi and the Karbi inhabitant side, that is also a part of the tribal land. That land should be also fully demarcated. So we appeal the central and state government to bring out the proper border policy so that such type of border dispute will never occur in the northeastern area. Not only in Assam, the whole of northeast should have proper border policy so that the land is properly demarcated.